Credit card debt is a common challenge faced by millions, often leading to persistent financial stress and anxiety. The burden of owing money can affect daily life, relationships, and overall peace of mind. Many people experience sleepless nights and constant worry about how to make ends meet. Understanding the emotional toll of debt highlights why addressing it is crucial, not just for financial stability, but for personal well-being. Conquering credit card debt can pave the way to a healthier, more secure future. Begin by collecting all your credit card statements and organizing them in one place. Carefully review each statement to note the outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Add up the total amount you owe across all cards to determine your overall debt. Understanding your monthly obligations is crucial as it reveals how much of your income goes toward debt repayment. This comprehensive assessment provides a clear foundation for planning your next steps toward financial stability. Developing a realistic repayment plan is essential for tackling debt effectively. Consider strategies like the snowball method, where you focus on paying off smaller balances first to build momentum, or the avalanche method, which targets debts with the highest interest rates to minimize overall costs. Creating a detailed budget can help you identify areas to cut expenses and free up more money for repayments. Prioritizing your payments and sticking to a consistent schedule will help you make steady progress toward becoming debt-free. With discipline and a clear plan, managing and eliminating debt becomes much more achievable. Building healthy financial habits is essential for long-term stability. By practicing mindful spending, you become more aware of where your money goes and can make intentional choices that align with your priorities. Setting clear savings goals helps you prepare for unexpected expenses and future opportunities, reducing the temptation to rely on credit. Using credit responsibly means understanding your limits and paying balances on time, which protects your credit score and keeps debt manageable. These habits work together to help you avoid future debt and achieve greater financial security. In conclusion, overcoming credit card anxiety is not only possible, but it can lead to a greater sense of control and peace of mind. By actively managing your debt, you open the door to financial freedom and reduce the stress that often comes with uncertainty. Taking action today, no matter how small, sets you on a path toward a healthier financial future. Remember, each step you take brings you closer to confidence and independence. Embrace the journey and experience the benefits of a life free from the burden of unmanaged debt.